I realized going through my process of my mom passing away was I'm actually present for the sadness. I'm actually allowing myself to be sad through this, and allowing myself to cry through this, and allowing myself to be depressed through this. I never experienced depression before my mom passed. Then I experienced it strong for a couple months. I didn't want to get out of bed, just laying in there. I wanted to do work because that overachiever was like, you got to do work. Why are you being so lazy? Like just do it, man. And then there's that other part that's like, rest, man. This is hard. Like, it's okay to just lay in bed today. You can do that. The thing that really helped me do that was my family and my friends. Over this past 11 years of really working on myself, I grew a community of people that I could feel comfortable sharing with. I have best friends now that I can just call up like, I'm having a pretty crappy day. Can you guys help me out? Can we just talk for a second, right? I never did that with my dad. That was super helpful with my mom, right? Now me and my brothers and sisters, we get on a weekly call. We all live all over the place. We get on a weekly call and just share what's going on in our lives. Whether it's a hard week, whether it's a great week, we're sharing those things together and we're helping each other through it. That's been something new with my mom that's really helped. Along with that, face it and loving myself through the sadness and the grief. All these things have really helped, and honestly, I can say here to you guys today, like, this stuff works. When we slow down and we connect with ourselves, whether it's those sad parts, angry parts, or those confident and courageous parts, when we take time to get to know ourselves and live life from that space, it's a lot more fun too. We're not constantly trying to fit in. It's a lot more rewarding because you're following your heart, doing what you love to do. Being courageous feels great, right? And getting through challenges is easier. So I have one last song that I'd love to share with you guys. This is a song I wrote for my mom. Is that cool with you guys?
Yeah.
All right, let's get it.